Thanks to our partnership with Vodafone, we've been able to create a truly smart, connected dashcam. Nextbase as a brand is a market leader globally, focusing on developing dashcams, and we have over 75% market share. The evolution of dashcams has been driven mainly by the advances in technology. This has created the natural next step of connecting our cars.
The IQ enables anybody to upgrade their car to make it a smart car. Having an IoT SIM managed by Vodafone allows us to automatically connect it for the customer seamlessly and get them up and running straight away. What we're doing with IQ is cutting edge, and there's a lot of technology in there. Smart sense parking, GPS, radar, there's computer vision chipset, AI going on, and Vodafone understood the vision of being able to deliver a smart product, and therefore they were the right choice for us.
Data is a critical part to any solution, and working with Vodafone ensures that we've got that end-to-end security around the customer data, so it's personal to them.
The technology we've been able to embed in IQ will enable great advances in efficiency and data for the customer, and because it's a connected product, it allows us to continuously add new features and enhance the product throughout its lifetime.
I see IQ as a game changer, and without Vodafone as a partner and without that managed IoT solution, we wouldn't be able to get to where we are today.